Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Lamb, a board-certified doctor with over 43 years experience. You may recognize me from hundreds of television appearances like The View, articles published in print like the New York Times, or you may know me as the best-selling author of books such as The Hardness Factor, No Guts, No Glory, Younger at Last, and Thinner at Last. I'm also a faculty member of the prestigious NYU Medical Center, as well as a clinician and researcher. People always ask my expert opinion on preventive medicine and aging. They always want to know what to take to help them live a more happy, productive, and eventful life. And I have been very impressed with the formulation of GenF20 Plus. GenF20 Plus is an all-natural human growth hormone releaser that works to increase energy levels, strengthen muscle mass, as well as sexual ability. I am particularly impressed with the ingredients of GenF20 Plus, such as L-arginine, L-glutamine, GABA, and many more that have been shown to help increase levels of HGH. In fact, the formulation that makes up GenF20 Plus has its own published clinical studies. You see, after we hit 30, our natural supply of human growth hormone takes a sharp decline, and it keeps drooping until there is almost none left. Human growth hormone, also known as HGH, is vital for us staying in good health. A lack of HGH can result in excess weight gain, weak muscles, loose and sagging skin, memory loss, brittle bones, and many other undesirable issues. However, the ingredients of GenF20 Plus can help to revive your HGH system, allowing you to enjoy a much healthier life. Having more HGH could help give you energy, help boost your metabolism, help you get physically stronger, assist in getting better rest, improve your sex drive, improve your sexual abilities, give your skin that youthful glow, and so much more. And what I love most about GenF20 Plus, it's all natural, so there are no known side effects. As a respected member of the medical community, I'm very cautious about what I recommend to people. I have to research everything about it before I feel comfortable making it available to my patients. Anyone who wants to help naturally increase their HGH levels, gain more energy, improve memory, have a better sense of well-being, or get an increase of sexual ability should try GenF20 Plus today.